Yeah, welcome back again to the channel where all we do is tech. So today I'm bringing you something else, which is the Galaxy S9 Plus. And like I told you, the series we are having right now are devices that used to be pretty expensive, but right now they are a whole lot more affordable. Yeah, like the S9 Plus, we know the S10 will be coming out soon, like in 2-3 months time, and this is the best time to have good, great, fantastic deals on the S9 Plus. Yeah, what do we know about the S9 Plus? This is the box over here. We know it's basically a stripped down version of the Note 9, which I think is the current Samsung flagship. The basic difference between this and that is this doesn't have the pen and that has the pen. So 9's box here, it has a 6.2 QHD screen, 8 megapixel selfie camera, dual cameras at the back with 64 gig internal memory, IP68 water resistance, dual speakers, EKG, all that. So let's dive into the box and see what's in this box, and if time permits me, I'll give you a review subsequently on the channel. So let's get right into the box. They've always been doing a great job with their packaging. Nice. Okay, we have another seal over here. Let's see. Okay, so it opens up. Fantastic packaging again from Samsung. Now that's the beauty. Before we get in there, let's see what we have in here. We have a clear case, which is always nice. At least you don't go running to buy a case for your phone immediately you get it. Then we have a quick start guide. Nobody looks at these things, let's be factual. So what next do we have? We have the device itself. Now we have to be careful. Okay, now this is the device itself. Let's keep it aside. This will be the last thing we're going to talk on. Let's get some warranty stickers. Okay, so this is the fast charging brick. Comes with the fast charger. Then we have a USB type C to a USB type A dongle. And then we have your normal USB ports to your USB type C. I think these are for data transfer when you're transferring things from your older device to your newer device. Then we have a USB type C cable here. It looks solid. Then we have our AKG branded headphones. Definitely AKG always gives us good sounds. And what do we have here? These are just for the earphones, different ear sizes. So let's keep all this aside and let's take a look at the phone itself. So we have the fingerprint sensor at the back, which has a better positioning. We know the S8 had it to the side, and a lot of people complain about it, about missed fingerprint positioning, but this actually looks much better, easier to use. I can imagine it like it's in a natural position where your finger will rest on once you're gripping your phone. Then yeah, beautiful screen edge to edge. So I'm just going to turn it on so you see how clean the screen is, and that will be it for that. Oh, it doesn't have juice. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty. So there you have it, powered by Knox Galaxy S9 Plus. Great device, fantastic build. I would definitely put this on through its paces. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.